so it'll run the full length of the table, you can see. Forward reverse action here. There it's going on the way back, and then it adjusts and clicks and goes forward, and that is adjustable by the increments on the raising the spindle. Kind of slow, but it's a pretty heavy machine. By the way, I estimate this machine weighs about 40,000 pounds, and it comes with an extra grinding wheel and a few extra accessories. What's the top up here do?